Hey guys, so I want to make this quick video like the settings that you can use, and just pause this video and copy these settings and then try it out. So reverb, resonance, presence, bass, middle, treble, volume, gain, and try it out, and you're gonna see if it's going to work out for you. And then it should be fine. So these are the settings that you can try.